Okay, this is the last one. This is Hugel 1. So this is our Hugelkultur bed. If you haven't seen the video before, I've done a video before. I'll link it up here. There's reasons why I don't know that I would ever do another Hugelkultur bed again. So, but anyway, I've got it, so I use it. Here's what's going on with it. Okay, I would definitely say I use this as edible landscaping. Okay, so we have a pecan tree that volunteered. Maybe cutting that out, I'm not sure. And then we've got purple cabbage. And then I interplanted, like I said on the other video, the dwarf type French marigolds. So we've got one here, here. I didn't do the French marigolds in a triangle because I was kind of running low, but it's kind of the triangle, right? Because you got French marigold, and then up is the red acre cabbage, and then down you've got that triangle right there, and then another marigold. And then something ate this one. I don't know if it was a worm or a dog or what, but I don't know. Maybe it'll come back. But French marigold, let me zoom out. There we go. So French marigold, cabbage, French marigold, cabbage, French marigold. Uh-oh. See, that one got covered up. Something's been digging in there. And this is another spot. I planted California poppy seeds here and nothing grew. I think that there was a couple of days where I just missed watering, and the seeds, if they already started germinating, like I said on some of the other videos, they just can't happen. They have to stay moist until they take hold. So you can see, I'm not going to point at each one of them, but you can see I did the purple. That's that red acre cabbage kind of all the way around. And those will get really big and they'll fill in. And then what I'm thinking that I haven't done yet, but what I think I'm going to do is plant my nasturtium seeds close to the bottom there. I didn't say this on the kitchen garden or in the other zone 2 guild, but these tiger lilies are about to bloom, and when they do, oh, it's breathtaking. It's so pretty. I wish I had more of those. Actually, when you plant them, I've seen people buy them or get them in a plant form in a pot, and they keep them in the pot. But if you plant them in the ground, they'll just keep multiplying. Well, they will in the pot too, but they're just safer in the ground. So I'll be digging these up and kind of spreading those bulbs out a little bit. I think let's see. So I've got some there and I've got some there. And then I need to clean this up in the middle here, but I've got rosemary, watermelon, a watermelon back in there. I've got cauliflower. Let me just see if I can get up in here. Oh, ground cherries everywhere. They just grow wild here. So, rosemary. I had to plant these new last year. Cauliflower. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what that is. Oh man, one of my cauliflowers died back in there. Okay, well, that's why I plant a lot. Then we've got sugar baby watermelon. I had to replant some seeds because the cutworms got them. I need to go get, my husband cut me off some more. He's a plumber. He cut me off some more collars. So I'm going to put a collar in there. I'm going to make sure there's no worms trapped in there with the collar. But let's see. Yeah, I've got to really thin this out. But we've got cauliflower here. Some watermelons here. And that's one of those prickly poppies. It's gonna have to go. Then of course we have the salvia. I told you it was pretty. This was in the other video that I did in April, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's a sweet smell, not like honeysuckle, more of a kind of a spicy smell, but it smells so good. This watermelon's not doing too good. I think I'm just not watering enough right there. There's some more. I think I have a couple of cauliflowers there. And see, this is why, these are those ground cherries. This is that knot flower. I don't remember what they call it. Grows crazy like a weed. This is another weed for me. But I need to be able to see it so I can focus my water there whenever I'm watering. I don't have everything set up on automatic irrigation. So that is Hugel 2. But pretty soon, let me see. So this is what you see from the street view. It's pretty far back, but you can tell there's something definitely there. It's got the purple, it's got the white. This is the white salvia, which I just don't have to do anything to this. No matter what, these are the dependable ones. They just do fine. But you go back out. Okay, so what all we have in here, let's recap. We have cabbage, marigolds, rosemary, pecan. Oh, I didn't show you the sunflowers, but there's sunflowers that just self-seed every year back there. The tiger lilies, the California poppies, which are medicinal herb. We've got the salvia, and I'm getting ready to interplant some more stuff in there, but I'm letting those weeds stay until I'm ready because they're, you know what, they're covering the soil. It's better. It's holding that moisture in, preventing evaporation. The mulch does it, but the plants do it better. So I'm leaving those weeds until I'm ready, unless I need to rescue. Oh, there's garlic in there too. I forgot. There's garlic. There's some plantain, but I'm leaving those in there unless I need to relieve or release some of that, you know, from growing on top of that rosemary. That's right there. I don't want anything to be competing for water. So it's kind of a fine balance. Okay. It's starting to get warm out here, but that'll do it for this one. Until next time, bye for now.